the key to diet success. Balancing hormones for weight loss. Hormones play a crucial role in how our bodies store or burn fat. If you're struggling to lose weight, it might not just be about what you're eating, but how your hormones are functioning. In this video, I'm going to dive deeper into 3 essential tips to help you balance your hormones and finally see the weight loss results you want. First, maintain a consistent sleep schedule. Lack of sleep causes high cortisol levels, which leads to fat storage, especially around the belly. Aim for at least 7-8 hours of quality sleep to regulate cortisol and help your body recover. Second, cut down on sugar. When you consume too much sugar, your insulin levels spike, making it harder for your body to burn fat. Try replacing sugary snacks with healthier options to keep your insulin stable, and you'll notice your fat loss improve. Finally, exercise plays a key role in balancing your hormones. Regular physical activity, particularly strength training, helps boost your growth hormone levels, which is essential for fat burning and muscle growth. Conclusion: balancing your hormones is the key to making weight loss easier and more sustainable. Start with these small changes and you'll see big results over time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like for more weight loss tips and advice. If you liked the video, click like, subscribe to the channel and activate the bell button to receive all that is new.